Hello, welcome to another Save Your Books video. Today I am showing you how to re-sew a book after it's been taken apart. Get it lined up, put my weight in there, and I'm just going to find the first hole right here. I'm going in at the tail end. That's a good sound. Thanks for watching. I hope that you now have a better sense of how to sew your own books.